In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. This is a complete guide from downloading the VMware setup file from the official website to fully setting up Kali Linux. If you have been facing errors while trying to do this, watching this video will solve all your problems. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before starting the tutorial, let me clear up some important requirements. First, make sure your CPU virtualization is enabled. You can easily check this in the Task Manager. If it is enabled, you are good to go. If not, you will need to enable it in your BIOS settings. Second, open Windows Defender, go to the Device Security tab and make sure memory integrity is disabled. This feature can interfere with VMware. Once you have checked these settings, you are ready to begin. Just open any browser and search for Kali Linux. Click on the first link, scroll down a little bit and click on the download button on the platform. Then click on the installer image. Choose the latest one and click on the download icon. After a short read, the download will start automatically. After completing the download, search for a VMware Workstation Pro download. Scroll a bit and click on the official VMware website link. Click on download and this will redirect you to the Brodcom website. Here, you have to log in with a Brodcom ID. If you already have one, just log in. If not, choose register. Enter your Gmail address. Fill in the captcha and click next. Then enter the verification code you received in your Gmail and verify. Next, you have to complete your registration by entering details like your name and country. For the job title, you can simply choose other, set your password, check the terms box and create your account. A prompt for additional services will appear, but you can just select I will do it later. Now close this tab and click on download on the VMware website again. Enter the Brodcom account details you just created. Check the remember me box, enter your password and sign in. Make sure you are in the My Downloads tab, then click on the free software link. Scroll to the end and click on the VMware Workstation Pro. Choose the latest Windows version for now. Click on the terms, close that new tab and then check the agreement box. Scroll down, slide to the end and click on the download icon. You will be asked to verify your details before proceeding. Click on yes. Here you have to provide some personal information like company, address, city and PIN code. Keep in mind that you do not have to provide your actual data. Just type something in every box. For the company name, you can simply provide your own name. After filling out the form, click on submit and wait a second to verify. After verification, you will be automatically redirected back to the download tab. Just slide to the right again and click on the download icon. This time, the VMware download will finally start. Once both files are downloaded, close your browser, open the file manager and go to your downloads folder. Now, right-click on the VMware executable file and run it as administrator. Click on next, accept the terms and keep clicking next until you reach the user experience settings screen. Here, uncheck both the join VMware experience and the product updates options. Click next again, choose your shortcut preferences, click next one more time and hit install. After a short wait, VMware will be installed on your system. Now close the file manager and open VMware. Inside VMware, click on create a new virtual machine. Go with the recommended option in the configuration tab and click next. Here, click on browse. Go to your downloads folder. Select the Kali Linux ISO file and open it. Then click next. For the guest operating system, select Linux and in the version dropdown choose the latest Debian. In my case, it is Debian 13.x. Click next. Here you can give your virtual machine a name. I will name it Kali Linux. For the location, by default this stores data on your C drive. But if you do not have enough free space there, you can click browse and choose another drive. Then click next. For disk capacity, eWebit takes 20 GB by default, but for Kali, I highly recommend a minimum of 50 GB. Also make sure to select the split virtual disk into multiple files option. Click next again. Now it shows a summary of your machine. Click on Customize Hardware. For RAM, it is best to provide at least 4 GB. If I open my task manager, you can see I have 11 GB of free RAM. If I wanted heavy multitasking, I could assign more, but for now I will set it to 4 GB. In the processor tabs, choose one processor. Since I have a quad-core processor, I will assign 2 cores. In the network adapter settings, make sure it is set to NAP. In the display settings, if you want to use 3D graphics, you can check the box for Accelerate 3D graphics. After double checking everything, click close and then click finish. Now you can start the machine by clicking on the small green play icon or by clicking power on this virtual machine. Just boot the machine and click OK on any pop-ups that appear. Select graphical install and hit enter. Choose your language and click continue. Choose your country and configure your keyboard layout and click continue again. Give your system a host name, and for the domain name, just leave it empty and click continue. Next, enter your full name for the new user and click continue. Enter your username and click continue again. Now set a strong password, confirm it. In the disk selection menu, go with the guided use entire disk option and click continue. It will automatically select your 50 GB virtual drive. For partitioning, go with the recommended option for new users and select Finish Partitioning and write changes to disk. Check the box to write the changes to the disk and click continue once more. Here, Kali will ask you to choose software features. If you want to customize the look, you can select the GNOME desktop environment. If not, just stick with the recommended default selections and select yes to install the GUI bootloader and click continue. Choose the virtual disk, which usually shows up as the second option, and click continue again. The core installation is finally done and Kali will prepare to boot up. Hit enter on the Kali GNU Linux option and you will arrive at the login screen. Just enter your username, then your password and click login. And there it is. Kali Linux is successfully installed on VMware. There is one final step. Shut down your Kali Linux virtual machine. Go to Edit Virtual Machine Settings. In the CD or DVD tab, select Use Physical Drive and click OK. Now you're good to go. If you want to use Kali in full screen, just click the full screen icon at the top and unpin the VMware tab. Now you are able to use any penetration testing tool or software without any problems. You can check the display settings to ensure the resolution is correct. As you can see, I can use the web browser perfectly without any lag. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like this type of content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.